Aloha crafty friends, thank you for coming back to Makaz Home. I know it's been a while. Here in Arizona we were on October break last week, and my daughter and my son and his girlfriend and I had a chance to go to Disneyland and go to the Mickey Halloween party. And so I've been a little MIA, but I'm back, and I'm so sorry it's taken me so long to upload this, but this is my swap from TinasCraftyLife, and we did a tag swap, and we had to mail in to swap to her, or the tag into her, and then she picked our swap partners and she mailed our tag to them and we got their tag. So I did not open this yet. I did, however, cut the side for easier access. So let's dig in. I don't even know who my swap partner was, but I'm so excited because this is my first swap, I think. Yeah. Anyways, so, ooh, I love it. Look at the, I think this is like duct tape, but cute, yeah? It's very fall, pumpkin, families, friends, autumn. Cute. Anyway, okay. Look, it was a spooky Halloween tag that we had to submit. Oh, and I like it. It's Tina starting over. So I think that's who my swap partner is. I'm not sure if she has a YouTube channel, but you know, after this, I'm going to go investigate. And so I'll leave her information below if I do find it. But I love it. Look at the, can you see the holographic change? But even, look at the little bat. Sorry, I'm Maha and not showing you. Haunting. She like did some mixed media over here on the tag. I love the trim. Look at this cute spider trim along the side. Cute, y'all. Oh, it's spider and skeletons. Ooh, sneaky. And look at this cute little skeleton tree. I like all the little details. The ticket. I think this is a tombstone. And then look, the little cute little kitty cat. Oh, I love this. Thank you so much. This is so, it's beautiful. Even there's like cheesecloth maybe back here that's distressed. I like it. Oh, love it, love it. Thank you. This is so pretty. Thanks. Thanks. Okay, so there's other treats in here. I'm not sure. Oh, look at these apothecary jars. They're little puffy. Thank you. I'm not sure if this is from Tina or my swap. Tina or Tina. Oh, thank you, thank you. And then here's just a little card. I know I saw others, so this is from Tina. I saw other people's swaps already. And it just says, thank you for participating in the Halloween tag swap. And then her tagline, be happy, be safe, be crafty, Tina. Thank you so much for hosting. I had so much fun making the tags. I'm having so much fun receiving the tags. I'm not going to give the tag away. I'm going to use it for myself. I'm still, I started a journal but for October, but yeah, it's kind of gone the other way. Or I haven't even touched it actually. But oh, look at these cute stuff that was in this trick-or-treat bag. Glittery skull, on the backside just black and white so you could choose. This cute little paper clip. Oh, I love it. And then some fun little stickers. Thank you so much. So anyway, go check out these beautiful ladies if you don't know of them or have never seen their channel. I'm going to find out if Tina Starting Over has a channel, and I will post it below. But I know Tina's Crafty Life does, and I'll share her link. And yeah, thanks for stopping by, and hope you guys have a great week. And I look forward to uploading more videos for you shortly. Shakas, have a great day. Thanks for stopping by at Makaz Home. Shakas.